Today, we're diving into how ChatGPT can become your ultimate tool for boosting school writing and research. Whether you're a high school student or a college scholar, this AI can significantly enhance your academic work. First up, brainstorming and outlining. One of the most challenging parts of writing is getting started. Here, ChatGPT will help us out with generating ideas and structuring your thoughts. Say you're writing an essay on climate change. You can ask ChatGPT in this input right here, then put together your prompt, then here we go. What are some list of key points to discuss in an essay about climate change? Now let's see how ChatGPT would generate. As you can see right here, ChatGPT provides a comprehensive list of topics and also build a robust outline that will guide your writing process. Now, you can dive deeper into each point. For instance, so while it's currently processing with all the results, here we go. Now let's scroll up. Let's take a topic out of these. Let's say causes of climate change. Let's go with this one for the next prompt example we'll be demonstrating right now. Causes of climate change. We can just highlight this one, then click reply so that it will be more specified for ChatGPT to generate better. Now, here's the prompt that I put together. What are the causes of climate change on the environment and human health? Then let's hit enter once more. See how ChatGPT just generated right here? With this information, you can easily structure your essay or presentation. Each point from ChatGPT can become a separate section or paragraph, making your work well organized and thorough. As you can see right here, there are also numbered bullet points. There we go. Next, let's talk about research. While ChatGPT isn't a replacement for academic sources, it can certainly help you understand complex topics and find reliable sources. Ask ChatGPT right here. So let's say, can you summarize the main points of renewable energy sources? Here we go. Let's enter and see how ChatGPT would provide more information for us. So as you can see, here's how ChatGPT summarizes with the main points. With this summary, you have a clear understanding of the topic. You can then ask for suggestions on where to find more information, such as academic journals, books, or reputable websites. So, for example, let's say, where can I find reliable sources on renewable energy? Hit enter once more, see how ChatGPT would respond. As you'll see right here, ChatGPT can guide you to resources like National Energy Laboratory right here, educational institutions, industry and trade associations. Yeah, there are different renewable sources, or reliable sources that is. There's academic journals, Journal for Renewable and Sustainable Energy right here. So here we go. Another great feature is asking for explanations of complex concepts. Let's say you're struggling with a topic like quantum physics. You could ask over here once again, like, can you explain the basics of quantum mechanics? Here we go. Let's see how ChatGPT would provide us this time. As you'll see, it's currently processing right now. ChatGPT is providing a simplified explanation that can help you grasp the fundamentals before diving into more detailed research. Utilizing ChatGPT for research assistance allows you to efficiently gather and comprehend information, ensuring your papers and projects are well informed and thorough. If you find this video helpful so far, Please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Let's say you have your research and outline. Now it's time to start drafting. ChatGPT can help you generate initial drafts and improve your writing. Try this. Let's say, can you help me write an introduction for my essay on climate change? So let's see how ChatGPT would do with the results. Pretty impressive. This is how far as it can go with the paragraph that ChatGPT had come up with, climate change for the essay. So yeah, remember to use this as a starting point and personalize it to match your style and voice. Additionally, you can ask ChatGPT to review and suggest improvements. For instance, you can ask, can you suggest improvements for this paragraph? So what I'm going to do is select this paragraph, just the only paragraph right here in this chat room from ChatGPT, then click reply so that it can be more specified for ChatGPT to generate the results better. Now, let's see how it goes. So here we go. These transitions help maintain a cohesive structure, making your writing more professional and easier to follow. Drafting with ChatGPT right here means you have a constant collaborator to bounce ideas off and refine your work. Now let's ensure your work is polished and original. While ChatGPT can help with grammar and style, it's also essential to use dedicated tools for plagiarism checks. So let's just use ChatGPT for now. So let's say we select this paragraph that ChatGPT recently updated in his results, click reply again. Then here's my prompt. Can you check this paragraph for grammatical errors? So let's see how it goes. So just as stated, it says your paragraph is well written and free of grammatical errors. Here it is with minor stylistic adjustment for smoother reading. Oh, really impressive. This comprehensive approach will help you submit your best work every time. And there you have it. With ChatGPT, you can enhance every aspect of your academic writing and research. From generating ideas to finalizing your paper, this tool right here is a valuable resource for students at any level.